Welcome to City Update. I'm Gavin McRoberts, and today I'm joined by Allison Rogers, and we're here at the second floor of the Fayetteville Regional Airport, whereas I'm sure you could probably hear there's a lot of construction going on around us. Now, Allison, I understand we're in the spot where the new offices are going to be for the staff of the airport. Tell me a little bit about the construction where we are now and where the TSA spaces moved to.
All right. Yes, we're currently in the temporary TSA area, which is now the offices that we hope to be in by the end of this year around the holiday season. TSA has moved right next door to us now in their permanent location where we have the space for 2 TSA lanes. So we have a much larger and better functioning system for TSA.
And that'll help get people through the TSA lines earlier, quicker so they can get to their flights.
Absolutely.
Now, I understand there's some other construction going on in front of that TSA waiting space.
Yes. The second floor is being completely reconstructed at the moment. We're getting 2 new escalators in the very front. We have a brand new elevator system as well. We'll have a brand new lobby area and waiting pre-security for your passengers to come off the plane and for you to greet your loved ones and family members.
And there is a lot coming up. I know as we're pulling up today to come here and film, you can see a lot of work going on in the front. Looks like you got the facades coming along nicely, and I saw them putting down the asphalt out front.
Yes. So we hope to have our rental car parking lot open by mid to end October of this month. We're just waiting on the last layer to be put down. We do have the canopy being installed on the front of the terminal. The windows have gone in on the second floor of the terminal as well, and they're laying concrete for the sidewalk now, and we hope to have the curbside baggage end of the sidewalk opened by end of month as well.
That's a lot of moving parts going on. So what is the estimated completion date for everything once we're said and done?
Our estimated completion date of the Phase 2 terminal renovations is shooting for June 29th of 2022.
Excellent. So everything's coming along nicely. And I want to thank you, Allison, for coming on and sharing all that information. Where can people go if they want to learn more about the Fayetteville Regional Airport?
If they want to learn more, they're welcome to visit our website at flyfay.com or follow us on Facebook or Twitter.
Thanks, Allison, for joining us. And I want to thank you for joining us as well.